Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today guys, I'm back with another Instant Pot recipe, y'all. I'm loving this Instant Pot, okay? I'm making some collard greens, so we're gonna cut this cooking time all the way down. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright you guys, so we want our collards to be flavorful, right? So I'm going to add in one smoked turkey leg. You can also use smoked turkey necks or a ham hock if you want. I'm going to add in some water and one chicken bouillon cube. Alright y'all, so after struggling with that lid, I finally got it on and locked into place. So now I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes on high pressure. Now this is just to get the meat to where it's really tender and where I can pull it off the bone, okay? So now my screen says on and the little silver pin is pushed down. That's how I know it's about to start building up that pressure and start cooking. So once my pin is pushed up, how it is now, it says in, so it's done cooking. Now my pan is pushed up. Now I'm ready to release that steam, y'all. So once again, be careful when doing this because of course the steam is really hot. Alright you guys, so my little silver pin has pushed down, so that's how I know it's done releasing all that pressure, and I can safely remove this lid and remove that big old turkey leg out, and we're going to get all that good old meat off that bone. Alright you guys, so now that I'm done tugging on that turkey leg, I got majority of that meat off and put it back into that pot. Now I'm going to work on these collard greens, y'all. So I saved myself a lot of time this time, y'all. I bought the pre-shredded collard greens, okay? If y'all seen that Thanksgiving Cook With Me video, then y'all already know how that went. I'm going to put that video at the top of the screen. But yeah, y'all already know how that went. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is add a handful of my collard greens into this colander, rinse them off, and then put them in my pot. And I'm going to repeat that process 2 more times. Alright you guys, so after fighting with that lid once again, I got it on and locked into place. Now I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes on high pressure once again, and we're just going to let it do its thing. Now that turkey leg meat, it's going to get even more tender, y'all. Like it's really going to break down into more pieces, but it's totally fine. My needle is pushed down, so that's how I know that pressure is building up, and it's just going to cook and do its thing, y'all. I did not record me, releasing the steam and all that because y'all already seen that in the previous clip, but this is how it looks, y'all, after it's done. Tender. The meat is tender. The collards are nice and like, y'all, these greens are amazing. They're very good, very tasty, and we saved ourselves a lot of time, y'all. Now I just drizzled me on a little hot sauce, add on a little splash of vinegar, and that was it, y'all. I served it with some cornbread, and when I tell you, it was good, y'all. I got a cornbread recipe coming soon. I just gotta perfect it to make sure it's good, y'all, okay? But thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next one.